Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to fix Fortnite Client-Win64-Shipping.exe error on Fortnite. So first you have to open your Epic Games application, then head on to your library. Now go ahead and then click on the three dots right here. So this is a Fortnite, and then click on Manage. Now you just have to click on the Open Install location. Okay, and then select the Fortnite game folder, and then select the binaries, and then click on the Win64 folder. Okay, now you just have to click on this easy anti-cheat.camo, and then select this easy anti-cheat underscore setup. Okay, that's right, and then you just have to click on the install easy anti-cheat option, and then click on finish. So this method can often resolve issues related to the Fortnite client-win64-shipping.exe error. So if the problem persists, all you have to do is to go back to this binaries folder right here, and you have to delete this folder. And then after that, look for the other binaries folder, and you have to delete that. And then after that, just go back to the Epic Games launcher, and then click on the verify files with your Fortnite. So this second method will ensure that any corrupted files are replaced with fresh working ones. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.